The wind outside your window might actually be screaming at you, and scientists have recorded it hitting the exact pitch of a human in agony. Number 5. Sand dunes in the Sahara hum and roar at 105 decibels when avalanching, producing a frequency indistinguishable from a human wail. Number 4. The Screaming Channel in Scotland funnels Atlantic wind through a coastal cave so precisely it sounds like a woman shrieking for help. Number 3. Dying stars emit infrared radiation that, when converted to audio, produces a sustained scream lasting millions of years. Number 2. Icebergs in Antarctica groan and crack at 300 hertz, the exact resonant frequency of an adult human scream, audible for 30 miles. Number 1. The bloop, a deep ocean sound recorded in 1997, matched the profile of a massive biological scream before no AA confirmed it was ice. Probably. Follow for more facts that sound fake.